Alright, so example number 1. Okay, find the surface area of the isosceles trapezoidal prism that the length of a parallel lines are 9 inches, 15 inches, and 4 inches respectively, while the height of the prism is 10 inches. So look at the given image. Alright, and I have it here. So we have the missing side, no, of the trapezoidal prism. So the area here, the area of the base, we have a missing side. So what is that? That one is that one is our x. All right, so I will draw it here. So this is a trapezoid. Now trapezoid is it's a rectangle and triangle on the other side, which is right triangle. Okay, so that is a right triangle. So therefore we are going to look for the x here and on the other side as well. Now, okay, so this is 15. We have given also there that this, okay, the parallel is 9 inch and the height of the prism is 4, and we have here, this is 9 also because that is a parallelogram. So 9 and 9 plus, we have these two equal side. We have 15 minus 9, that is equal to 6, and we divided 1 by 2, so we have here 3, and the other one is 3. So let's solve for the x value. Now take note that this one here is a right triangle. So when you say it's right triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to look for the hypotenuse of this side. Alright, so how are we going to do that? Okay, let's try to compute it here. Now we have, that is x squared is equal to, that is x squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So a squared, we have 3 squared plus b is 4 squared. So 3 squared, that is 9, plus 4 squared, that is 16. Alright, so therefore x squared here is 9 plus 16 is 25. So take note, that is x squared. Now what are we going to do next? Okay, multiply by the square root. So x is equal to square root of 25 is 5. Alright, so we have now the value of our x, which is equal to 5. Okay, equal to 5. Alright. Now we were going to solve the lateral area. The lateral area, which is the diameter of our base times the height. Okay, so lateral area. Now lateral area is the perimeter of the base times the height. So the perimeter, we have 9 plus 5 plus 15 plus 5 again. So times our height, which is 10. So we have 9 plus 5 plus 15 plus 5, that is equal to 34 times 10 for our height, that is equal to 340. Okay, inches square. So that is our lateral area. Okay, so I will erase this one. Okay, I will erase this for this one. I'll write here our lateral area is equal to 340 inches square. Okay, so let's try to solve the area of the base. Okay, the area of the base, that is a trapezoid. So we have 1/2 times A plus B times the height. So we have 1/2 A plus B, 9 plus 15 times, what is our height? 4. So we have 1/2 9 plus 15, that is equal to 4 times 4. So we have 4 and 2, that is 2. 2 times 24, that is equal to 48 inches square. So this is our area. Okay, so the area of the base is equal to 48 inches squared. So we are going to write it here. Area of the base is equal to 48 inches squared. Alright, so let's try to solve. Alright, so we have the lateral area and our area of the base. So let's try to solve our surface area. Alright, surface. Okay, surface area, that is equal to 2 times our area, which is 48. That is 48 plus this one, 340. So we have 48 times 2, that is equal to 96, plus 340 is equal to 436 inches square. Alright, so this is our surface area. Alright, so example number 2, we have find the surface area of a regular hexagonal prism. Of that, the length of each side of the hexagonal base is 2 centimeters and the height is 8 centimeters. Alright, so I have here a figure. Okay, so figure given, we have the side of the hexagonal is 2 centimeter and the height of the prism, hexagonal prism, is 8 centimeter. Okay, so let's find the surface area of this. So before that, we have to look for the area of the base. So the base is what? Hexagonal. So what is the area of a hexagon? Sorry. Area of the hexagon, that is equal to 3 square root of 3 over 2 times the side square. Okay, so times the side square. Okay, so let's continue. So we have, copy that one, 3 square root of so that is 3 square root of 3 over 2 times, what is the side? 2 squared. Okay, so let's simplify this one. So we have 3 square root of 3 over 2 times 4. Okay, now we can simplify, we can divide that one by 2. Right, so we have 2, that is 3 square root of 3 times 2 is equal to 6 square root of 3. So this is the area of our base hexagon. Okay, 6 square root of 3 centimeter squared. Okay, so this is the area of our hexagonal prism. Alright, so we will write this on the side. Area, that is equal to 6 square root of 3 centimeter squared. Okay, so let's try to find the lateral area. Alright, so the lateral area, that is equal to the perimeter of the base times the height. Okay, the perimeter of this one is 6 times the side, times the height. Okay, that is 6. What is our side? 2 times what is our height? 8. So we have 12 times 8 is equal to 96 centimeter squared. So this is our lateral area. Okay, so we were going to write here on the side. So lateral area 96 centimeter squared. Okay, so let's proceed. We have now the area of the base and the lateral area of the prism. So let's solve the surface area now. Okay, surface area, we have 2 times the area of the base. What is the area of the base? That is 6 square root of 3 plus 96. Okay, so we have 12 square root of 3 plus 96. So what is our answer? 12 square root of 3 plus 96. So can we combine this one? No, because that is a because we cannot combine this one because it's unlike terms. So therefore this is our final answer, centimeter squared. Alright, so simple as that. Finding the surface area, look for the area of the base and the lateral area. Okay, so another example, we have given figure here. Alright, so we have this side is 2 centimeter, so meaning all of these sides are 2 centimeter, and the height of the prism is 5 centimeter. Now let's try to find the surface area of this given figure. Alright, so before that, let's try to identify the area of our base. Now, as you can see, we can find a 2D here, square of course. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different squares. Alright, so let's try to find the area of our base here, which is this square. Okay, so let's look. Okay, so area, what is that? Side square, no? Since there is 5 of them, so we have times 5. So we have, what is the side? 2 squared times 5. So we have 2 times 2, 4 times 5 is equal to 20. What is the unit? Centimeter squared. So this is our area. Now let's look at the lateral area. Okay, for the lateral area, that is the perimeter of the base, right? So the perimeter of the base, so how many sides do we have here in our base? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 sides. Okay, so 12 sides, that is S times the height. Alright, so that is 12. What is the side? 2 times what is our height? 5. So 12 times 2, that is 24 times 5 is equal to, so 24 times 5, that is equal to 120 centimeter squared. So that is our lateral area. Okay, so let's continue. So we can now find the surface area of this given. We have now the area and the lateral area, right? So surface area, that is equal to 2 times the area of this one. So we have 20 plus 120. So 20 times 2, that is 40 plus 120. 140 times 120, that is 160. What is the unit? Centimeter squared. So this is our surface area. Okay, so question? Do you understand? Good. If you have questions, just comment down below. Bye. Okay, so I have here another example, and we have here, so this is the side and the height of our hexagonal prism. So meaning to say, if this one is 1, so all of that side there is 1. So the same width down here equal to 1. Then, and the height is 3. Okay, so let's find the surface area of this. So, but before that, we are going to look for the area of our base. So, area of our base, that is hexagonal. So, what is the formula of hexagonal? We have 3 square root of 3 over 2 times the side squared. Okay, so we have 3 square root of 3 over 2 times, what is the side? 1. Of course, 1 squared, so therefore, our answer is 3 square root of 3 over 2 inches squared. Alright, so that is our area. Okay, so next, now this one is squared. Okay, so next we are going to look for the surface area of our hexagonal prism. Okay, sorry, the lateral area. Right. So next we are going to look for the lateral area of our hexagonal prism. So that is lateral area per perimeter times the height. So the perimeter of the base, that is 6 times 1 times the height. So that is 6 times what is our height? Sorry, what is our height? 3, that is equal to 6 times 3 is 18 inches squared. Alright, so given inches. Okay, so we have that one here. So we have now the area and the lateral area. So let's solve for our surface area. Okay, our surface area, we have 2 times 3 square root of 3 over 2 plus our lateral area, that is 18. So simplify, we have 3 square root of 3. Simplify, we have 3. Okay, simplify, we have 3 square root of 3 plus 18. Of course, we cannot combine these two because they are unlike terms. So that is inches squared. So this is our surface area of the given prism. Okay, so it